Mushtaba Sayyed. I am the organizational head for Center for Art-Based Methodologies and Wellbeing, CFAW. And in this beautiful project, Kirayat Sirak, I was the art-based methodology lead. The fact that everything has to come together in terms of collaboration, only then, because if something is loose and for me, can only be tightened by another set of fingers. So for that to happen, I have to really get someone to collaborate with me.
This project, like these past few days, it's been amazing. I think I'm doing the work that I was meant to do and just the work that I want to do. I'm connecting with people who just want to do better for other people. It wasn't just my content, it was so many people coming together, creating something, and then that being understood, interpreted, and reflected on, and then made something out of it from people like from different parts of the city or the country. So I think that's one thing that has really stuck with me. Just hold on to that इमोशन जो सब बात कर रहे थे ना, कभी इतना इमोशन फील कर रहे हैं, इतना हाई एनर्जी, इतना मोटिवेशन फील कर रहे हैं, तो जस्ट वांट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट.
चेहरा खुली किताब है, चेहरा खुली किताब है, उन्वान कुछ भी दो, मुझे जिस रुख से भी पढ़ोगे, मुझे जिस रुख से भी पढ़ोगे, मुझे जान जाओगे.
Kirayat Ishtiraq project basically is a project that recognizes the willingness of Pakistani diaspora to give back to their country, that recognizes that people placed in different parts of the world have access to different bodies of knowledge, and the more that we bring those bodies of knowledge together, the stronger our technical competences or our capacity is. Universities and academia उससे हमारे पास ये आ रहा है, but here is this also other body of knowledge of wisdom which is equally important and both need to be weighed together when we are deciding कि जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो काम की शक्ल क्या होगी. तो I think वो जो सारी learnings हैं around के on ground needs क्या हैं, I think that has been a very important thing.
We're not trying to get rid of the pipeline. Pipeline is important. लेकिन हमें ये कहना है कि हमारे पास चॉइस है. क्या हम चॉइस के साथ जा रहे हैं पाइपलाइन में या ऑटो पायलट पे जा रहे हैं? अगर चॉइस है, that means that you have some sense of observing, and that's what we're practicing. कि ताकि हमारे पास ज़्यादा चॉइस है.
तो अब जो हमने अब लर्न किया है वो ये है कि अभी अपने घर से ही हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. हम समझ रहे हैं कि इसका जो बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा हुआ है, हमको ही फायदा हुआ है. पहले मतलब हम बच्चों के साथ किस तरह ट्रीट करते थे, घर वालों के साथ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में किस तरह ट्रीट करते थे. इस ट्रेनिंग के बाद जो है हम खुद को रिलैक्स समझ रहे हैं, अपने ब्रेन को बिल्कुल फ्रेश समझ रहे हैं. फ्रेश, जिस तरह मैंने पहले सर्विस का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल किया ना, अब हम फ्रेश हो गए.